Welcome! Today's journey takes us to one of the most colorful, energetic, and touristic cities in America, Miami. This place is not just about sunny beaches. Miami is where cultures meet, where art and architecture shine, and where entertainment never sleeps. Let's dive in and explore this amazing city together. Miami is located in the state of Florida, right on the Atlantic coast. It's famous for its year-round sunshine and tropical climate, which means you can enjoy the beach and the outdoors no matter the season. The population is around 450,000, but during tourist season, millions of visitors flock to the city. Every year, people from all over the world choose Miami as their dream destination. One of Miami's most famous attractions is, of course, South Beach. Here you'll find turquoise waters, white sandy beaches, and a vibrant social scene. Whether you want to surf, sunbathe, or just walk along the shore, this is the place to be. Miami beaches aren't just about relaxation. They're also fashion runways, where people come to show off their style as much as to enjoy the sun. Miami nights are a whole different world. Some of the world's most famous nightclubs, bars, and live music venues are located here. Every night feels like a festival. Whether you're sipping cocktails on a rooftop bar overlooking the ocean, or dancing to Caribbean rhythms until morning, there's something for everyone. That's why Miami is often called a city that never sleeps. If you want something beyond the beach, you can visit the Everglades National Park, where you'll get the chance to see alligators up close. Or take a walk through Little Havana, where Cuban culture comes alive with coffee shops, cigar stores, and lively Latin music. In many ways, Miami isn't just one city. It's a gateway to many different worlds. Miami is also a symbol of luxury and high-class living. Multi-million-dollar villas, luxury cars, and extravagant yachts are part of everyday life here. The marinas and oceanfront mansions are breathtaking. That's why Miami is known as a home for Hollywood stars, famous athletes, and successful entrepreneurs. Miami is not just an American city. It feels like the crossroads of Latin America and the United States. Large communities from Cuba, Colombia, Brazil, and the Caribbean live here, and their influence is everywhere, in the food, the music, and the lifestyle. It's normal to hear salsa or reggaeton on the streets, and the aroma of Latin cuisine fills the air. Miami is a living, breathing example of multicultural life. Miami hosts dozens of international festivals and events every year. The Ultra Music Festival brings electronic music lovers from all around the world, while Art Basel is one of the biggest contemporary art exhibitions in existence. In addition, Caribbean and Latin festivals and colorful carnivals transform the streets into stages of music and dance. These events create unforgettable experiences for visitors. As you can see, Miami is more than just a city. It's a lifestyle, a culture, and an endless source of energy. No matter who you are, a traveler, an art lover, or simply someone who enjoys the sun and ocean, Miami has something for you. If you ever want to experience one of the most vibrant places on Earth, make sure Miami is on your list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. The history of Miami is not very old. Interestingly, the city was officially founded in 1896 and quickly rose to worldwide fame. At first, it was just a small village, but with the construction of the railway, Miami grew rapidly. In the mid-20th century, a massive wave of immigrants came from Cuba, which completely reshaped the city's identity. Today, Miami is a unique blend of both American and Latin spirit.